Welcome to our channel Teaching and Learning. So this is Unit 1 and this is the second lesson, Lesson 2. In Lesson 1, I talked, the title was Good Morning My Dear, and under it we learned some of the vocabularies and we had also done some practices of grammar. Under it we did what is be verb, how to use it, different types of examples and how we can use be verbs. So those things we learn in Lesson 1. So this is Lesson 2. In this lesson, the unit is same. Unit 1, that is Good Morning My Dear, but the lesson is Lesson 2. So here we'll learn the conversation, mainly using the greetings. And before that, we also discuss components of greetings. Greeting is one of the very important social function of language. Social function of language, greeting is more important because it ice breaks for the communication. So in the very beginning of the communication and conversation, we must greet. At the end, we have farewell and taking leaves. So today we deal those things over here, and for this, I want to make you ready, okay, for this conversation. A greeting. Greeting is the basic social need, and it is also called the social function. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening are used as in formal situation. And hi, hello, hey, long time no see, dear all, etc. are used in informal situations. So in greeting, if you are in formal situation, you often greet the people by saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening on the basis of time period. If the situation is formal. If the situation is informal, then you say hello, hi, hey, long time no see, dear all, what's up. So these are the expression, these are the function that you often use when you greet somebody. You might have questions where to use informal and where to use formal. So situation determines, and sometimes the relationship between the speaker and listener also determine which components do you use. For example, if you are very close each other, if you are friends, if you are close relatives, so you may say that, hi, what's up, long time no see. But if you have formal relation, or if the person is not that much familiar with you, then you will be more formal. So you will say good morning, morning, afternoon, good afternoon. So these are the very useful chunks in English conversations. Whenever we deal greeting, we should not forget taking leave also. As in the previous video also, I had mentioned English starts from hello, hi, and it ends with goodbye. So you start your conversation, hello, hi, how are you, where are you going, what did you do yesterday, something like that. And at last you say, oh, I have something to do in the market, so sorry for this time, okay, or I have to say bye now, okay, see you next day, have a good time. We often say that way. So this is also a very important thing we need to understand. So taking leave and farewell, when we take leave, When we start our conversation, then we start it from greeting. And when we end our conversation, at that time, we end our conversation by taking leave or farewell. So what are the components or exponents of taking leave then? Look at some of the very important and casual exponents for the taking leave or farewell. Bye, goodbye, hope so, see you again, cheerio, bye-bye, take it easy, see you things, see you later, cheers. So these are the things we use when we take leave, when we depart from each other, when we say bye, when we are taking farewell, taking leave, when we meet, and when we finish our conversation. So these two things are very important. So we need to understand these things. Well, some more example. Let's see some more example of farewell. In other situation, what we say, okay, I look forward to seeing you soon. So we often say that I look forward to seeing you soon. It may be in more formal situation whenever we deal in writing. So at that time, we often say that I look forward to seeing you soon. Or we can say see you soon next week. Goodbye for now. We often say that goodbye for now. Good night then. So when we depart from with each other at that time, we say good night. Yours, Judith Davis, Michael Clark, your name, to end a letter, whenever. If we say, farewell, and later we say sincerely yours, and we often say that, sincerely yours faithfully, and we write our name also. And we say that goodbye for this time, we often say that, and we are saying goodbye to our friend, bye-bye, bye-bye for now, see you soon. We often say see you later, see you tomorrow. So these are other ways how we, take leave, or how we, take leave or farewell. So now let's move to the reading passage. So reading practice. Since this is unit 1, we are not going to have the very big, very technical, text, and this is basic English. So we'll go for the reading text over here. So it is related to greeting and introduction. So how can I give you the whole text in greeting only? If I say good morning, then what will I say? Obviously, I need to talk a little bit about myself so that it will be more reading, okay? So here is a passage. Let's go to the passage. Very small paragraph. My name is Tim. I am from Auckland, New Zealand. I live with my family. We are 5 members in my family. I am a college teacher. I love teaching students. Sunday to Friday, my duty is to teach students. I also have been, teaching to many tuition classes from school level to master level students. I am happy with these schedules. Saturday morning, I go to church with my family. I pray to God for my family, country, and the whole world. I believe in Jesus Christ because He has sacrificed His own life to save us. So this is one reading passage. And next one, let's move to the next one. Hi, this is Roja. I'm from Delhi. I'm a nurse. I have been working at Delhi Medical College. I live with my little boy. He is 5 years old. I don't have fixed schedule of my duty. It depends on shift. 3 days in a week I work at afternoon, whereas the remaining 3 days I have to work in the evening. I also have holiday on Sunday. I go to a temple every Sunday. I worship to be successful and defeat my enemies. I want to help poor and needy people. I am a disciple of Kali goddess. Okay, so these two people, first one is Tim and second one is Roja. So first one is from New Zealand, Auckland, and second one is this Roja is from India, and she is In India, she is from Delhi. So these are the things we discuss in these lessons. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.